have new tricky question for you. Let's come we start. X plus 6 into x minus x plus 7 into x plus 8 into x plus 9 divided by x minus 6 into x minus 7 into x minus 8 into x minus 9 is equal to 1. How we calculate the value of x is unknown. So in this type of question, first of all we are choosing the pairs. Look here, 6 plus 7 plus 8, 15, and 6 plus 9 we get 15. That means that we can write the taking the pairs 6 plus 9 is equal to 7 plus 8, we get here 15 is equal to 15. That means that we are together these two pairs, and similarly we get minus 6 and minus 9 is equal to minus 7 and minus 8, we get here minus 15 is equal to minus 15. Both pairs are combined to each other in this 6 into x plus 9 into x plus 7 into x plus 8. According to the pairs, we arrange this term x minus 6 and x minus 9, x minus 7 and x minus 8 is equal to 1. Now we are multiply these two terms with this one first, x into x plus 9 and 6. Similarly, we multiply 6 into x plus 9. Close the bracket, and similarly we are multiplied by first x, and similarly 7 x into x plus 8 plus 7 into x plus 8 divided by x minus. Similarly the same process we are doing here, x into x minus 9 minus 6 x minus 9, close the bracket, and similarly x is same process we are doing, multiply to each other, x into x minus 8 and minus 7 x minus 8 is equal to 1. To multiply these pairs one by one, and x multiplied by x, we get here x square plus 9x plus 6x plus 54. Similarly, we are multiplying x multiplied by x, x square plus 8x plus 7x plus 7 multiplied by 8, 56. Close the bracket and divided by this term x multiplied by x, x square minus 9x and minus 6x, similarly plus 54. Now x square minus 8x minus 7x plus 7 multiplied by 8, we get here 56 is equal to 1. These are the same terms, 9x and 6x, similarly 8x and 7x, minus 9x and minus 6x, minus 8 and minus 7, we are add to each other. So look here, x square plus 15x plus 54 into x square plus 15x plus 56 divided by x square minus 15x plus 54 into x square minus 15x plus 56 is equal to 1. Now here the last term 54 and here is 56, and we are required this term, we can write 54 plus 2 and 54 plus 2 plus 15x plus 54 into x square plus 15x plus 54 plus 2 we can write 56, we can write 54 plus 2 because we are making these terms are same. Now x square minus 15x plus 54 into x square plus minus 15x plus 54 plus 2 is equal to 1. Now we are making supposition here. If we take these terms are same, look here, x square and plus 15 x 54 are same in the same term. So we take the supposition here. Let x square plus 15x plus 54 is equal to p. We give the name p. Similarly, and x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to, we give the name q. So this the equation reduces in the form of, and here we put p into p plus 2 divided by, and here we p and q. And q we put here q into q plus 2 is equal to 1. Now by cross multiplication, if we are doing here, cross multiplication we are doing by cross multiplication. So we get p into p plus 2 is equal to q into q plus 2. Further we simplify this result. We can write p square plus 2p is equal to q square plus 2q. Now we get here p square plus 2p minus q square minus 2q is equal to 0. Now according to this term, we arrange this term p square minus q square plus 2p minus 2q is equal to 0. According to the formula a square minus b square, we can write p minus q into p plus q. This term is equal to the formula. Plus 2 is common here, we get p minus q is equal to 0. Now we are taking common p minus q, and p minus q is common. So p minus q is common. So we get the result p plus q and plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it means that p minus q is equal to 0, or p plus q is plus 2 is equal to 0. So it means that p is equal to q from this equation, or p plus q is equal to minus 2. Now these two results we get here. If we replace p is equal to q in this equation, we will get some results. Similarly, if we replace p and q are equal, in place of q we put p, so we are plus 15x plus 54 is equal to, in place of q we put p, so this will be subtracting x square plus minus 15x plus 54 when p and q are equal. When p and q are equal, in place of p and q are equal, so x square plus 15x plus 54 minus x square plus 15x minus 54 is equal to 0. So minus 54 plus 54 cancel. minus plus 50, and this is also cancelled, and we get here 30x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 is one of the solution. Now when p plus q is equal to minus 2, so what will happen? One of the roots we get x is equal to 0. We give the name equation number first, and this is equation number second. If we add, because here p plus q is required, adding equation number first and second, so we will get here 2x square, and this is cancelled to each other, and also we get here 8 and 108 is equal to p plus q. In the place of p plus q, we put here minus 2. 2x square plus 108 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2, if we change here this one, 2x square is equal to minus 2 plus 108. This is plus, and we change transform, this is we get here minus 108. So we get here 110 2x square, and 2x square is equal to minus 110, dividing both sides by 2, both are cancelled, so we get here minus 55. Now x square is equal to 55 iota square. In the place of minus we put here minus 1, so taking square root on both sides, so this is cancelled, x is equal to plus minus 55 under the root. Iota is the another solution. So these two roots we get here from this equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.